welcome to Infinity Learn NEET by Sri Chaitanya. So today in this particular session, we will be discussing about the viral diseases, which is another topic from the chapter Human Health and Diseases. As I already told you that we will be making videos for you individually about different pathogens and the disease which are caused by them so that it's easier for you to revise. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, before directly jumping towards the viral diseases, we need to really understand that what exactly is health, right? So being physically fit is never considered as being healthy. Being physically fit always over here means that you are mentally, physically, emotionally and socially stable. If all these conditions are perfectly fine, then only a person can be considered as healthy. Because if I talk about the mind, so the mind and the mental state affects the health as well. Because through the neural and endocrine system, somewhere or the other, the mental state of a person strongly affects the health of a person. So we should never focus on just being physically fit, but we should focus on being healthy overall, right? Now, if I talk about the common human diseases. So mostly the common diseases are caused by various microorganisms whom we also consider as pathogens. Pathogens are the substances which are the foreign particles or foreign substances that enters our body and tries to infect our body. So there are major pathogens which includes bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoans, helminths, etc. And today in this particular session we will be talking about the virus that causes certain diseases known as the viral diseases. Okay. So these are the parasites which are pathogens as they cause harm by living in or on the host. These pathogens are considered as parasites. Parasites are basically those organisms which live inside our body or on our body and they get the nutrients from our body to perform their respective vital activities. Okay, so those organisms or those substances are considered as the parasites. Now, one of the most common viral disease that we always discuss about, which is also mentioned in the syllabus, is your common cold. Okay, so common cold is a viral disease which is caused by the pathogen known as rhinovirus. The mode of infection over here, of course, it's a communicable disease. It's easily transmitted because the mode of infection is aerosols, droplets or contaminated objects. If I talk about the affected organs in this particular disease, it includes the upper respiratory tract, which includes your nose, your nostrils, nasal passage, also the pharynx region, right? Nasal congestion and discharge is one of the most common symptoms. Then sore throat, hoarseness, cough, headache, tiredness, and the symptoms will last for 3 to 7 days at least. Okay, so this is the most common viral disease and that is how we have discussed about one of the most common viral diseases, right? So that was it for today's session. It was a very quick session and it is now, I hope, easier for you to revise, right? If you like this video and if this video was helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away. Press the bell icon and you will not miss any kind of notifications coming on your feed. Thank you.